Hey Claire, Brandon Crawley here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you very much for interest in this good-looking 2013 Hyundai Veloster. As you can see, I've got the exact vehicle that you inquired about online, but I'm sure you saw that the internet price of this vehicle is not going to be here for long. So I need you to give me a call back. Let me know what time you'd like to come by and see it. My number is 205-380-6250. Again, it's 205-380-6250. Or you can call me on my cell phone at 205-415-1134. Again, I'm Brandon Crawley at Tameron Hyundai, the #1 Hyundai dealership in Alabama, and you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you, Claire, and I'll see you soon.